Third time. Inhale. Start exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Nadi Suzi. Left hand with Chin Mudra and right hand with Nasika Mudra. That means we fold our index finger and central finger. Let us place the right thumb on your right nostril. Gently close the right nostril. Inhale through your left nostril and gently close your left nostril.